Alright guys, we're back with another one, and this is the QCY Q29 Dual Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. So here we have it, QCY Dual Mini Earbuds, man. This is the smallest Bluetooth that I've reviewed was the QCY Mini. This is the dual version of that Bluetooth. So let's take a look inside the box. We have a nice USB to micro USB flat cable design to charge them up. We have here some ear tips. Alright, so we have a type of light gray ear tips. Put that to the side, and let's get into the Bluetooths themselves. Slide these out right here. Look at this, man. A small case for 2 mini Bluetooths. Alright, so nothing left with the box. Bluetooth. So we open this up and look at that. This is nice. This is a nice case. So charge it up by micro USB. So I guess we're not charging up the Bluetooths themselves. We're charging up the case which house the Bluetooths and charge them. So we pull this out. Look at this. This is nice. Oh, this is a gorgeous color. Nice color. QCYs. So pretty much these are going to fit in your ear just like that. And if they fit anything like the one I already reviewed, these are going to be hot. So let's take a look around the Bluetooth. So you have these tips. So these tips are very important. That's why you got 2 other sizes right there, because you got to make sure you get that seal when you put it in your ear. These angle pretty good to sit in your ear. And I just took off some plastic there. So you got to take off these plastics so the prongs would connect. That's pretty good. So how they connect? Just pretty much push it inside, lock it in place, and they're going to be charging in their case. And you can see by the light that they're charging. So this is pretty good. This is a nice little form factor. It can fit on the sides of anyone's purse or in a small pocket in the jeans or whatever it may be. And the Bluetooths, once they charge up again, they're ready for another session. So let me try these on, pair it up, get a little feel on how they sound, and we'll do a quick sound test.
Power on. Pairing. Connected. Right channel. Left channel. Second device connected.
Sounds incredible. So let's take a listen. These Bluetooths really sound good. QCY, you're done it again with the Q29s. So, the sound on the QC Q29s, they're on point. Sounds pretty good for mini Bluetooths. they sound good. So the Q26 was a single Bluetooth and it was on point. The Q29 has brought that dual stereo factor into the game, and the sound pretty good. I get a nice hint of bass. I get nice little mids. The highs are a little bit lacking, but it's not bad. Not bad. So far, that's my first impressions. I gotta keep on listening to different genres of music and see how they really sound. The seal feels pretty good in the air, so I gotta continue testing that. But so far, it feels pretty good. So I gotta check out the charging case and see how long they charge these for, how many times, and I gotta see what's the battery life on this Bluetooth. A battery life review on these QCY Q29s to see if they're the truth. These are the type of Bluetooths that you use for those finer events. When you're in a banquet, when you're in a place, it could be a wedding. These are the type of looking Secret Service type of Bluetooths. Inconspicuous. So these gonna fit in your ear. They're gonna look classy, and it's gonna look good. No hooks, because it's giving you that classy look. These are the Bluetooths that you wear with a fancy suit. These are on point. The styling is gorgeous. So QCY, you look like you've done it again with the Q29s. So pretty much with that, guys, this is the end of that. This is the unboxing of the QCY Q29 Dual Mini Stereo Bluetooths. We're going to put this to the test. Look forward for the review. So check the links in the description. I would say so far it looks like it's a buy, but we got to do some testing to see how long they last. So how you pair these up? You pretty much just hold down on the button right here. Okay, they're both in pairing mode. You see the blinking light. Press Bluetooth right here. Okay, so I guess we got to click on both. Okay, that's one paired up. Let's get the next one. And should it pair right about now? So both of them are paired up.